Nike Air Force One with removable swoosh carabiner, swoosh or swoosh, is a fascinating twist to the iconic sneaker.
That's dope.
This, I don't know. I don't think this is a real thing. I think this is a.
Oh, it's not?
I think it's a rendering, like a designer's concept. Let's see. The Nike Air Force One has been through numerous iterations in the last 4 decades. In 2022, as a sneaker, which was first introduced in 1982, marks its 40th anniversary. We are bound to witness some innovative variants show up. Case in point. Oh, never mind. I think it is a thing. The Louis Vuitton Air Force One by Virgil Abloh on auction at Sotheby's in the coming weeks. Another interesting Air Force One low is expected to launch with a removable swoosh-shaped carabiner fastened over the rubber swoosh on its lateral. So
it's only one of one?
I guess it's happening. I don't know if it's one of one, but it looks like a functional carabiner as well.
Yeah.
Like you could just pop it off and...
Is that a bottle opener too?
How do you pop it off though? I'm just looking at it. Oh, yeah. I see how... No, I see. Yeah, because those little elastic elements hold it in place. For those of you that are just listening, this is a carabiner, like you would be climbing, but it's a more decorative one that maybe you would use as a keychain or something. But it's in the shape of a Nike swoosh with a bottle opener on it. Mm-hmm. And it sits on top of the swoosh on the Air Force One to add some three-dimensional style to it. You've seen a lot of innovative things happening with sneakers. Sneaker culture has exploded, and now you got the high-tech looking stuff, including some type of 3D aluminum on your sneaker.
Yeah.
What do you think? Would you wear something like this, Will?
Yeah, I would.
Really? I never saw you wear anything like that before.
It's pretty, it's fun.
Yeah.
And it's one of one, right?
I don't know if it's going to be one of one. It's definitely going to be limited. It's definitely going to be people. If it does happen, you know for sure it's going to be people that are waiting and refreshing and ordering, not just for themselves, but for the resale market if it is limited.
Yeah.
So I've seen, they've done some strange or like different features in the past on the Air Force One that actually weren't that limited. Like you could find them, like the color changing one, where it hits the UV hits and then the sneaker changes color. So I don't know. I mean, maybe it's like more widely available. Maybe you do end up with one, Will.
I'll be down to get one.
Maybe your dream does come true. Mm-hmm. Anyway, happy Super Bowl, everybody. It's over now. Now it's time to shift your focus to crypto, McDonald's, and getting yourself an electric car, sipping whatever beverage was advertised to you, listening to old records.
Yes.
Putting on a VR headset from Quest, from Meta.
Coinbase.
I said crypto.
Stock?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. I said crypto was the first thing I said because of how many crypto ads that you have. So that's what you're doing in 2022. You know, now everybody sets off and does the things that they were told to do in the Super Bowl ads that were costing $6.5 million each. Good luck, everyone. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow, by the way.
See you tomorrow.